was gonna happen though. What's going on, boys? We're back. Video number 2 of this year. We're going back to the spot we went the other day. We're gonna try and skate. Here's the deal. It snowed out like all of yesterday it snowed and a little bit today, but the streets are dry, kind of. There's some wet spots. So we're gonna go to the skate park. We're just gonna go find out. If it's not, then whatever, you know, we tried, but. No, can't do it. It's not worth it. I'll be right back. I'll see you at the next skate park.
It's a little wet. This one is not wet though, so I guess we'll try some stuff.
Only one way to fix your legs, and that's by using them. All right, we're just gonna roll around for start. Trying to find a not wet spot. This is kind of it. All right. It's definitely still really wet. This is where I filmed all the, basically all my tutorials on how to skate. Decent. Let's see if we can hit this little box thing. Okay, you know.
Ooh. Yo, I'll take that.
Nope. All right. The alley-oop stuff needs work, for sure.
Alright, that was dope.
Little alley-oop sole. See if we can do negative misers. I'm gonna eat shit. Oh, I knew that was gonna happen. I'm good. Let's try it again. I just tried to negative Machio it. Alley-oop something. Nope. We got that old man skater energy where you just do silly little tricks like this. Ooh! You know? Like that was sick. We're gonna hit a double negative. Someone's gotta sponsor me if I hit this. Not really clean. Oh, there it is. Good to be back on the blades. One day at a time. Oh my God. To all the new guys who have joined the channel, thank you guys for coming. My name's Nick. Sorry about the wind, but I'm gonna head out. Hopefully it doesn't snow more, and hopefully I can film more and skate more. So I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.